Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a manual Toyota Yaris. First, always ensure your parking brake is fully engaged for safety before attempting to start the car. Next, confirm the gear shifter is in the neutral position. You can usually feel a bit of play in the stick. Then, fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot, pushing it all the way to the floor. With the clutch fully depressed and the car in neutral, turn the ignition key to the on position. You'll see dashboard lights illuminate. Now, turn the key further to the start position and hold it there briefly. As soon as the engine catches and begins running smoothly, release the key. It will spring back to the on position automatically. After the engine is running, keep that clutch pedal fully depressed. Now, gently move the gear lever into first gear. You'll feel a distinct click as it engages. Before moving, remember to release the parking brake completely. You should see the parking brake warning light on your dashboard turn off, indicating it's disengaged and you're ready to go. To move forward, slowly release the clutch pedal with your left foot while simultaneously applying a small amount of throttle with your right foot. This takes practice to find the friction point, where the car starts to move smoothly without stalling. Keep practicing, and you'll master it quickly. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.